Children, today we are going to see how to prepare the slide of leaf peel. Here I have taken a small piece of Rio leaf, and for this you will require brush, forceps, this is water in it, this is saffron and again water, there are slides, this is cover slip. In these bottles there is glycerine and saffron. Now to take out the peel from the Rio leaf, we have to simply fold it and gently take it out in this way. You can see here is the leaf peel. We are going to take it from the lower epidermis because in the lower epidermis the stomata are more. So we are going to cut it first of all. Now this piece we will keep it in water so that it does not become dry. Now we will place it in the stain so that the cells are colored and we are able to see the cells clearly and stomata also clearly. Now after keeping it for 30 seconds in it, we will transfer it to water so that the stain is washed, and now we will place it on the slide. With the help of the brush, we will straighten it. We will keep it in the center. Now we are going to put 2-3 drops of glycerine on it. Now we will place the cover slip on our leaf peel. This is the cover slip. I'll place it on the leaf peel. I want all of you to pay attention how the cover slip is placed on it. We will first of all place it in this way at 45 degrees, and very slowly we are going to put it on the leaf peel, taking care that there are no air bubbles formed in it. Just see, here the cover slip is placed on it. If there is excess glycerine and water, all that has to be removed with the help of filter paper. Now the slide is ready and we are going to see it in the microscope. So here we are going to place the slide, and with the help of these two knobs we will be adjusting it. This is 10x magnification. First of all we have to see it under 10x, and after that we will see it under 45x. This is how the slide will look like.